Hi, my name is Sabrina Ostowich, and I'm currently in my fourth semester in Youth and Adult Correctional Intervention at College Hensik. Only 1 year left. In my program, there are a lot of professional opportunities, but I don't know which one will suit me the most. What I'm sure of, though, is that I want to work in an environment where people can feel safe. My program is made for people who either love to help others or supervise prisons or things like that. We have psychology classes that teach us the diversity of ethnic realities. It's a little bit as if you were studying to become a cop, but we don't have the same goal. Well, I'm going to present you an online way to search for community and social services depending on your needs. It is called the 211 Grand Montréal, and it is made for people who are searching for help. It is a bit hard to understand a website when it's your first time using it, though, so I'm here to help you through it. My goal by showing you this website is to help you find a resource where you can go depending on your needs. Well, stay right there. Don't move a muscle. Don't move a muscle. It'll only take 3 minutes. And that said, just go hit the follow and the little bell. Well, that said, I always need a way to find some resources for my future clients. Without anything that help me find the resources for my clients, I won't be able to refer them to something that'll actually help them. If you are struggling with the same problem as me, well, I promise that I will present you a way to find the right answers to your question about community and social resource. The 211 Grand Montréal is one of the tools that help me a lot with my social and community service research. But though it helps me a lot with my program, it can really help someone in need to find the right place for them to go. Let's say that we have a pregnant woman in the area of Hochelaga Maisonneuve who needs help and wants a place to spend 2 or 3 days because if she can't find one, she will be sleeping in the street. Pardon me. Let's find her a safe place to go. First, you have to search for the website by opening the site. That wasn't the way to say it. So by opening a new tab in the browser you are using. Well, I'm already on the website, so I'll save that. And type the URL 211qc.ca in the address bar. Now, here is where you want to find a solution to the specific problem I mentioned before. Now, when you arrive on the website, you can see a logo. I'll point it to you right here. That in the top left corner of the screen. If you scroll down on the page, you will see in the middle of the screen. In the middle of the screen, you will see a text area where you can type your address and your city. So let's just say that we're doing that for the pregnant woman. So we're writing Hochelaga Maisonneuve. Okay. And then you write what kind of resources you want. So that person wants somewhere to sleep. So sleep. Let's just search that. Well, let's search actually here and woman sleep. Let's just try that. Oh, nothing. Okay, let's try then the little logos there. Let's try homelessness because she doesn't have anywhere to go. So shelters, healthcare, day and evening centers, all the subcategories, housing for pregnant women and families. So let's click on that, and then we'll see a lot of well, there you go. You can see that there's a medium term, so that would be a great 3 months to 1 year. Well, she only wants to stay 2 or 3 days, but imagine if she wanted to actually stay there for 3 months or even 1 year. She could have chosen hébergement de Paris. I mean, it won't always be like that. It won't always be like 1 out of 5. There will be a lot more options, and you'll need to read what every service offers. Which one is going to work out for the pregnant woman who needs a place to stay? It would actually be hébergement de Park extension, but I mean, we still have to read all of it. I just can't make it in that video because it will be too long, you know. So luckily, the first option they give you is a good one for what we're looking for. Therefore, I won't always be like that. It won't always be like that, and you will have to scroll down and dig a little more to actually find what you want. So, if you are in youth and adult correctional intervention or a related field, that's how you solve the problem of not finding a good resource depending on your client's needs. So I promise I would show you how to find one, and I did using the website 211qc.ca. I hope that was useful for you because I need you to do something for me. Before I finish, I want you to click the subscribe button and the bell so that you won't have to miss my next video, and then take a moment to share this tutorial on social media. Thanks for watching! Why isn't it stopping? Okay, I'm just gonna leave that. Bye!